I'm Aaron Joji and welcome to my channel Cooking with Aaron. Today I'm going to show how to make falafel. Now let's go to the ingredients. Take 2 cups of chickpeas and soak it for 24 hours. Take 1 cup of parsley and remove the stem. Take 3/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves and remove the stem. Take 1 small onion and cut it in 4 pieces. Take 7 to 8 garlic cloves and peel them. Keep some salt aside to taste. Keep 1 tablespoon ground black pepper. Keep 1 tablespoon ground cumin. 1 tablespoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon chili powder. It's optional. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 2 tablespoons toasted sesame seeds. Now keep the sesame seeds and the baking powder aside. Add all the rest of the ingredients into the blender. Now let's blend it.
A few moments later.
This is how it should look after blending. Now put it into an airtight container and put it into the freezer for 1 hour.
1 eternity later.
I have taken the falafel mixture from the fridge. Before frying, now you have to mix in the baking powder and the sesame seeds. And now you have to mix it. I have finished mixing. Now I'm going to make balls. Now we have to give the balls a gentle press. Now let's fry the falafel. Kids, use the help of your elders whenever you're cooking with something like this. Mom! Guys, don't forget to flip it when the other side is cooked. We finished frying the falafels. Now you can have it with pita bread and tahini sauce if you want. If you want to learn the recipes for the pita bread and the tahini sauce, subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell. Thank you for watching.